Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today let's make some yummy pulao. Yes, some delicious food to make a little tummy happy. So let's get started. These are the ingredients you need. You need few potatoes, few mint leaves, sliced onion, green chilies, few beans, carrots, coriander and green peas. This is for masala. You need ginger, garlic, some cloves, cinnamon and the rest of the masalas. So now put your vessel and heat it. Pour around 4 to 5 spoons of oil. Also add some ghee. Now fry all your dry masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. After this, add some mint leaves, sliced onions and chilies to it. After around 2 minutes, add all your vegetables. Now mix them on the medium flame for about 5 minutes. Now let's grind our ginger garlic paste. Add some turmeric powder for color. This step is optional because if you don't want any color for your rice, you don't have to do it. Now add your ginger garlic paste mix and mix well in low flame. Add around 6 glasses of water to it and let it boil for some time. Meanwhile, you need to soak your rice for about 20 to 30 minutes. And after your water boils, slow down the flame and add the rice to it. Mix the rice well and increase the flame and give it a boil. After it boils, lower the flame and close the lid. Keep mixing it for about 2 times for every 10-minute interval. That's it, your fuming hot pulao is ready to eat. Just pair it with some raita and you're done. So this is how you make yummy pulao. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of DIY videos, food recipes and jewelry videos. So that's it guys. Thank you and happy crafting.